Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel The Real Civil Engineer. In this video we will cover the test method of maximum dry density and optimum moisture content according to ASTM D1557. Apparatus we will use in this test. The required sample mass for method C is approximately 29 kg of dry soil. Drying material in air or drying oven such that the temperature of sample does not exceed 60 degrees centigrade. Determine the percentage of material retained on the 19 mm sieve. Prepare at least 4 to 5 specimens approximately 5.9 kg each passed from 19 mm sieve. Adding water into the soil and increase the quantity of water for next sample. The increments of water it's depend of soil behavior. Curing each specimen if required according to the table. If the material is well graded or poorly graded, then not requirement for curing. Record the mass of the mold with base plate and determine the volume of mold. Assemble the collar to the mold. The mold shall rest on a uniform rigid foundation. Compact the specimen in 5 layers, each layer approximately equal in thickness. Place the loose sample into the mold and spread into a layer of uniform thickness. Lightly tamp the soil prior to compaction. Compact each layer with 56 blows. Take care to avoid lifting the guide sleeve during the rammer up stroke. The fifth compacted layer slightly extends into the collar but does not exceed 6 mm. Remove the collar from the mold and trim the compacted specimen top of the mold. Record the mass of specimen with mold. Remove the material from the mold. Obtain a portion through the center about 500 grams for moisture content. For calculation will make it next video.